What up, world? I am DJ Krates Wayne, and welcome to Krates Kicks. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope all's well, true yours. When I say yours, I'm not talking about your kicks, talking about your family, friends, most important. Pickups, baby. We got pickups today, baby. Let's see. Yeah, I know. But this is your blue. This is your navy blue Yankee with the pink bottom. Had to get this one at least. And a Dodgers hat. This is your stand. These are hats you must have, but with the pink bottom, like, come on. Come on. These are my last hats for a while, though. These are my last. Promise. These two, another pre-order. Comes with these pink pins, too. Accessorize, baby, accessorize. So you have a East Coast and your West Coast. We here. All right. And you see, I'm already wearing one right here, so I have enough hats. That's enough. That's enough for me. Not one, but two shoes today. This one just gonna be an unboxing. The other one I'm gonna do a complete review and on feet. Just unbox this one for you. You know I'm ripping a box like this. You know they came from Adidas. You know it came from Adidas. You know it came from. The Yeezy Boost, baby. Your 350s. Now this one I really like the colorway of it. I put in a raffle for these on Adidas, not expecting to win. Like, I'll just do it for the heck of it. And guess what? I won, so here they are. The Yeezy 350 V2s in that Israfil colorway. These are not your typical laces. Like, I really like this colorway, but the laces, it kills me. Like, it ruins the shoe for me. I don't like this infinity style lace system right here. I want to be able to hype these lace my sneakers. You know, leave them out with a little eyelet pointing out. This is a really nice color. It's like, this looks bluish in here. Got a little blue tint to it. Check them out. I like that it didn't have the pull tab. Usually, you know, you get them with the pull tab. I like sometimes they don't put the pull tab. You got this like creamish, yellowish type of outsole down here. Of course, you got your boost right there. Got this nice knit upper with like cool little pattern to it. I heard that every sneaker has a different pattern to it. Excuse me. These are nice. Pull out the other pair. I'm gonna be 100 with you though. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. That's why I'm not doing a complete review on these, because I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna keep them. So put them on feet and all that, and then sell them. I don't like doing that. If I'm gonna sell them just like this. Unless, you know, I wear them, then sell them used. But if I'm gonna sell them new, I wanna put them on my feet. Here they are. Tell me what y'all think about these in the comments. My first Adidas on this channel. I mean, I have Adidas, but my first Adidas pickup on this channel. Krates Kicks. Tell a friend, subscribe, hit that like button. Also hit that bell. Ooh. And this is what we came for right here. Not officially an unboxing because I unboxed it already. And here you go. Standard Nike Jordan 1 box. Check out that size tag right there, size 10 and a half. Let's read it for you. Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Air in your black. What? Tomatillo. I have to cut that part off. Here you have it. Your Jordan 1 Zoom in this Zen green colorway. There was another color. There was another name for these. Brute, I think it was the Brute color. Well, it's the. It looks like the Dunk Brutes, the Nike Dunk Brutes. So that's kind of where they got the colorway from. But I know it's a Zen green, and there's another name for these. I can't remember. I feel like pulling it up on the phone, but let's move past that. This shoe is your newest technology in the Air Jordan 1s. This is your Zoom Air, meaning that this shoe has a full-length zoom technology underneath there, so it's more comfortable than your normal standard Air Jordan 1s. This is more of a full-length airbag instead of just the heel. They have it in a full length, your forefoot all the way down to your heel, and it's cool that you got this see-through, translucent also, where you could see, the cool colors they put in there. I don't know if that's the actual airbag in there, or that's just like, just something they put over it. Pretty cool. You got your normal, shoe tree. Got your Zen green in there. The whole inner lining is that Zen green. It says Zoom Air right there. Comes with your Zen green laces, and it comes with your black laces. It's already inside the sneaker. It has this like nice green suede-ish on the toe box, on your mid panels, your medial side, and your outer side. Got the same suede here. The swoosh is in this like silver 3M and this green stitching. It's like back here feels like regular leather. Yeah, it's pretty good leather right there. And you got your toe box and that leather. Your white midsole, your standard. You got this nice little stitch right here in green. Pretty nice sneaker. I know that this fits a little bit tighter because they have the full length zoom in there, so it fits more, like holds your foot more, which I like because I like to high beast lace my sneakers where I just leave them loose, so it'll stay on my foot instead of flopping around. Pretty good sneaker. I like the Air Jordan 1s are dope. It's very standard. This sneaker right here, they made a ton of these, but the thing about this though, the retail for this was $175. If you check, online right now, I think they're going for around $200 or a little bit above $200. I'm telling you right now, this is like something I know. Like, if you don't get these right now, these gonna go to $350 easy. I give it 2 months. I give it about 2-3 months. These gonna shoot up really fast because these look super floral feet. They're comfortable, and the color just pops. Like, it's a Jordan 1, so the value on these is gonna go up. I guarantee it. Don't wait. If you want these, get them now. Get them now. Pull the other one out. There they are. The Jordan 1 Zoom, Air Zooms. Zen Green colorway. Hit me in the comments. Let me know what you think about these. And you know what? Let's check them out on feet. Let's go. Okay, hope you enjoy that on feet. You know, we got a few pickups today. Pretty cool. Make sure you hit that like button for the pickups. Share the video. Can't forget about the hats, you know. Can't forget about the hats. Should make that my thumbnail right there. Hey, a few pickups. All right. So if you like kicks like I like kicks, what I need you to do, like, comment, subscribe. Also hit that bell right next to it. Be notified every time I upload a video. We're still on the road to 100 subscribers. So when we hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna show you a complete video of all the sneakers in my collection. So once again, thank you for watching. I am DJ Krates Wayne, and this is Krates Kicks. We out.